All right, guys, this is the Dogfuel wireless portable Apple CarPlay car stereo. It's 9.3 inches. It's kind of got that widescreen mode. It's also got a 2.5K dash cam, so you could actually have a backup camera in your car as well if you wanted to wire that in. That's pretty cool. I think this is super cool if you're like me and you have an older car that doesn't have CarPlay built into it. I've got an iPhone, so I'm excited to use this for CarPlay. But if you've got Android, it'll work for Android as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this and check it out, and then we'll go ahead and get it installed. So first thing I want to say, very nice packaging. This is a very nice box, definitely Apple caliber as far as that goes. Wow, this is a cool unit. So you got the adhesive down here on the bottom. Basically, you can just stick that as a base. It's a flexible base, so I like that. It's got adhesive, so it's going to stick down, but it's a flexible base. You also have a camera on the front of it that can face out. So that's great as well. So like a dash cam that can be able to catch, if there's an accident and it's proven that you didn't do anything wrong. That's great for that. But here's the screen, dude. Look how cool that is. I'm excited. We've still got the front on there. We're going to keep that on there for now to make sure it doesn't get scratched. But definitely very cool screen, very cool unit. So I'm excited to test that out. We also have there's a lot of ways to set this up. So you can just take this adhesive off take the sticker off the bottom and just stick it down, which I think is what we're going to do. But you also have other options. You can attach one of these to it where this will screw onto the unit and then this will attach to your windshield. You've got that as well. And then you've also got your cigarette adapter so to be able to apply power to it. And then you also, if you want to do your rear view camera, your backup camera, you can wire yourself in with that. I'm not going to need that because I already have that in my car. But man, the value when I'm looking at the number on the screen there is incredible. You're going to get Apple CarPlay in your car with, honestly, an extremely nice wide screen. Let's go ahead and get this hooked up and see how it looks. All right, guys, welcome to the car. So we've got it hooked up. This thing looks really nice. We've got it powered on. You got the power button right up here. You can't necessarily see it, but it's just right up there. Very easy to use. You also have the dash cam on the front, which we're going to show in a second, but want to show you how easy and cool this thing is. So we've got it set up here. It's all very responsive. We can even play music. So that's working very well. Let's pause that. Go back. You can get on maps. So that's easy to use. You can go to settings. You can come back. We can get back to this home screen. We can do phone calls. Like, it's very easy. We can go to messages, go to our calendar. It's super easy to use. The last thing I want to show you is we also have the front DVR set up. So that's going, and that's going to record stuff. So in case there's any issues, if somebody hits you and you want proof for the police that they're the ones that need to pay for your problem or whatever, that's what it's there for. And dude, straight up, these are super cool. Fun thing to have in your car. I mean, you can even watch stuff on here. So you can like hook up your phone if you're stationary and you can actually watch YouTube videos on here and stuff too. So this is a very cool device, easy to set up, easy to use, highly recommend.